Coach, patignan nga po. Parang bengkong na naman.
Hindi, tama. Ilim lang ganun yan. Len, bengkong daw. Dito na.
Game! Once again, first game po, Loting versus Marquis. Pasok na po, first 5 ng both teams.
Pep.
Okay, sir. Black.
Poong Loting got the first ball possession. Pedrano to Maglaki to Bestie. Bestie fakes. To Lim. Lim being defended by Ulanday. 10 seconds to shoot. Tip pass. Ezekiel got the ball. Ezekiel. Masyado mataas yung pasa. Kailangan na maglaki. To Bestie. Bestie, no good. Landay. To Saludes. Saludes, back to Landay. To Ezekiel. Ezekiel. To Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Pedrano. All alone, Pedrano. Layup is good. 2 points for Pedrano. Pok Loting got the first 2 points. Ulanday. Ulanday! 3-pointer is good for Ulanday. Lim. Answers back. Lim no good. Saludes get the ball. Saludes. Dribbling to Ulanday. Ulanday again! Bang! Ulanday! 3. 2 out of 2 shooting from deep. 4-point lead for Marquis. Pedrano to Lim. Lim to Maglaki. Maglaki floater is good. Basic basketball. Ulanday. Again, dribbling the ball. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes! 3-pointer no good. Costan with the rebound. Costan. To Pedrano to Lim. Lim. Corner. 3-pointer no good. Saludes got the rebound. Saludes to Ulanday. Ulanday running. 4P2. Ulanday. Lay is good. The Giants layer. Aurelio. To Costan. Costan. Jumper is good for Costan. Ulanday. Binibay ng Lamim. Pass to Ezekiel. Back to Ulanday. Ulanday. Tip pass. Aurelio got the ball. Aurelio being double team. Steal by Saludes. Saludes. 1-2. Lay is good. 2 points for Saludes. Maglaki. Maglaki on the paint. Boarding no good. Rebounded by Polanday. Polanday. Looking for a steal. May pass to Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday being defended by Pedrano. Ulanday, 3-pointer again. No good. Rebounded by Costan. Costan to Lim. Lim to Pedrano. Pedrano attacking. Pedrano. Bordering is good. 2 points. Ezekiel. Dribbling. Ezekiel to Landay. Back to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Polanday. Polanday attacking. Polanday to Ulanday. Ulanday jumper is good. 2 points. Aurelio. Dribbling. Aurelio. 3 is good for Aurelio. Ulanday to Castillo. Castillo tries the 3. Feta. No good. Maglaki got the rebound. Pass to Pedrano. Pedrano 1-2. Lays good. 1-point lead for Marquis. Both teams ready. Change 5. Correction. Napupula ng isang Pook. 13-12. 10 seconds to shoot. Saludes on the paint. Saludes. Layup is good. Marquis ball. Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Castillo. Castillo to Polanday. Polanday attacking. Polanday. Fakes. Jumper is good for Polanday. 2 points. His first debut game. Pedrano to Lim. Lim to Costan. Costan to Aurelio. Aurelio. 3-point shot is good. Aurelio. Tie game. Official score all 16. Ulanday. Answers no good. Saludes all alone. Bang! Saludes. Change fire, both teams. For all clothing, we'll have the ball possession. Zaldibar dribbling down the ball. Zaldibar to Lim. Lim from downtown, no good. Rebounded by Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Rimbao. Rimbao attacking. Rimbao lays good. Zaldibar. Zaldibar to Nobal. Nobal fakes. Tipped. Tam got the ball to Ulanday. Ulanday running. Ulanday. Jumper. Ulanday is good. 2 points. Lim. Being defended. Pass to Zaldibar. Zaldibar fakes back to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim. 3-pointer is good for Lim. His first 3-pointer. Four-point lead for Marquis. Our official score, 23-19. Ulanday to Rimbao. Rimbao back to Ulanday. Ulanday, being defended by the ball. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes to Ezekiel. Ezekiel fakes. Ezekiel got blocked by Marcelo. Nubal running. Nubal to Lim. Lim. Traveling violation. Sabi ni Rep. Ulanday. Good. Bang. Ulanday. Points.
Nubal. Nubal. Nubal running. Nubal. No good.
Rimbao. Ulanday. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday jumper. Ulanday again. 2 points. What a move. What a shot for Ulanday.
Zaldibar. To Lim. Lim again. Traveling violation.
Ulanday. Being defended by Zaldibar. To Ezekiel. Ezekiel. To Saludes. Saludes. Corner 3. No good. Tevez with the rebound. Pass to Zaldibar. Zaldibar being defended by rebound. Zaldibar running. Zaldibar with attack. Zaldibar lays good. 2 points. 7-point lead for Marquis. Ulanday to Ezekiel. To Jetan. Jetan jumper is good for Jetan. 2 points.
Zaldibar to Nubal. Nubal. One step. 3-pointer. Nubal. No good. Jetan with the rebound. Jetan to the rebound.
3v2 to Ulanday. Ulanday. No good. Zaldibar with the rebound.
Zaldibar to Lim. Lim. No good. Tevez. Got fouled. Foul number 12. First personal foul. First team foul.
2 free throws for Tevez. First free throw no good for Tevez. And the second free throw is good for Tevez. 8-point lead for Marquis. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes to Jetan. Jetan jumper. No good. Ezekiel rebounded the ball. Ezekiel on the fake. Ezekiel offensive foul.
Foul number 30, first personal foul. Second team foul. Lead to Tevez, jumper, no good. Rebound, got the rebound. Rebound. For Ulanday surveying the lead, waiting for his teammate. 20 seconds, Jetan, jumper, no good. Off ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim. Same ball. 5.5 seconds remaining. Lim to Tevez. Tevez still by Jetan. 1 second. End of our first quarter. Our official score 30-22. 8-point lead for Marquis. Start of our second quarter. Marcus ball. Lenday. To Rimbao. Rimbao. Maybe 2 points is good for Rimbao. 10-point lead for Marcus Aurelio. Back to Pedrano. To the ball. Maglaki on the paint. Maglaki's jumper is good. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes wants that 3-pointer. No good. Castillo, great hustle, but no teammates around. The ball to Pecano, to Aurelio. Aurelio, no good. Rebounded by Rimbao. Ulanday running, being defended by Aurelio. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Rimbao. Rimbao to Saludes. Back Ulanday. Ulanday, 3-pointer is good for Ulanday. Hot hand for Ulanday. Pedrano to Costan. Costan face. Costan no good. Costan again. 2 points. Bestie. Ulanday defending the ball. To Rimbao. Rimbao attacks. Rimbao laying a good. Rimbao got the ball again. Rimbao 2 points. Second chance opportunity is good. Ball. To Aurelio, back on the ball. To Pedrano. Pedrano back on the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. The ball. Back to Pedrano. Pedrano attacks. Pedrano is good on the paint. 2 points. $9.8 for Marquis. Our official score 37-28. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday jumper. Ulanday 2 points. Great hands for Ulanday this night. Aurelio Serpengadi. Aurelio 3-pointer is good. That's his answer for Ulanday's mid-range. Ulanday Serpengadi. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday answers back. No good. Maglaki with the rebound. Maglaki running. Pass to the ball. The ball will attacks. No ball. Lays good. 2 points. 6-point lead for Marquis. Official score 39-33. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rimbaw to Ulanday. Ulanday fakes. Ulanday to Rimbaw. Great pass. 2 points. Petrano to Aurelio. Good pass. Back to ball. The ball fakes. The ball. Dribble. To Aurelio. Aurelio to Nubal. Nubal, lay, no good. Putting David the rebound. Deep pass. Aurelio get the ball. Aurelio all alone. 3-pointer for Aurelio. Five-point lead for Marquis. Rimbaw. Attacks. Rimbaw lays good. 2 points. Costan, waiting for his teammate, to Aurelio. Aurelio, wants a 3-pointer again, no good. Costan, still for the rebound. Put back is good, 2 points. Landay, surveying the 14 seconds to shoot. Landay being the ball. Landay attacks. Landay kick out to Rimbaw. Rimbaw with a 2-pointer. It's good. 2 points for Rimbaw. Both teams ready again. Second unit. Pedrano runs. Pedrano attacks. Pedrano lays good 2 points. Rimbaw being defended by Pedrano. Rimbaw. Stupidity. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound to Saludes. Saludes! 3 points. Good. Saludes again. Change 5. Our official score 49-40. 9-point lead for Marquis. Aurelio, dribbling on the ball. Aurelio to Lim. Lim, attacks, Lim. No good. Rimbaw got the rebound. Rimbaw to Ezekiel. Ezekiel, surveying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel on the paint. Blocked by Marcelo again. Tevez running. 2v2 situation. Aurelio get the ball. Aurelio will double team. Aurelio to Zaldivar. Zaldivar maybe is good 2 points. Landay dribbling. Landay attacks. No good. Ketan with the rebound. To Rimbaw. Rimbaw wants that 3 for Rimbaw. Lim. To Zaldivar. Zaldivar no good. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. Same ball. Marcelo to Lim. Lim attacking. Pass to Tevez. Tevez to Marcelo. 2 points, Marcelo. Timeout called for Marquis. Our official score 52-44. 8-point lead for Marquis. Back to the ball game. Rimbaw, surveying the Rimbaw, being defended by Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Rimbaw, long 3. No good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio running, being defended by Rimbao. Aurelio bumps. Aurelio stops to Marcelo. Marcelo 2 points with a foul. Foul number 1, first personal foul. Second team foul. Ball is free throw for Marcelo. Ball is free throw, no good for Marcelo. Sa pang free throw. Second free throw is good for Marcelo. Ulanday bringing on the ball. Ulanday tries again. Foul number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ezekiel to Halili. Halili to Ulanday. Ulanday back to Halili. Halili blocked by Aurelio. Same ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Rimbao to Jetan. Back to Rimbao. 5 seconds to shoot. Rimbao to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday! 3-pointer! No good. Zanzibar with the rebound. Zanzibar to Aurelio. Aurelio to Marcelo. Marcelo couldn't get the ball. Marquis ball. Ulanday. Surveillance. Being defended by Zanzibar. Ulanday guys again. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Ulanday. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday attacking. No good. Halili with the rebound. Halili to Ezekiel. Ezekiel no good. Rimbao got the ball. Rimbao back to Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel spins. Ezekiel on the paint. Ezekiel no good. Marcelo with the rebound. Pass to Zanzibar. To Aurelio. Tip pass. Rimbao got the ball. Rimbao to Ezekiel. Ezekiel got fouled. Foul number 88. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Ezekiel. First free throw no good for Ezekiel. Second free throw is good for Ezekiel. Aurelio. Tepes. Susan di Parma ko Aurelio. Aurelio to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio attacking. Aurelio to Marcelo. Marcelo no good. Ulanday got the ball. Ulanday running. Waiting for his teammate. Ulanday to Rimbao. 14 seconds to shoot. Rimbao to Ulanday. Ulanday from downtown. Bang! Ulanday. 3-pointer is good. Lim. Dribbling. Lim. To Zanzibar. Zanzibar to Marcelo. Steal. Rimbao got the ball. Rimbao running. 3v3 situation. Rimbao on the paint. Pass to Ulanday. Ulanday again. 3-pointer. No good. Zanzibar with the rebound. Zanzibar running. Zanzibar to Tebes. Tebes attacks. Tebes no good. Ezekiel with the rebound. Tip pass. Lim. Got the ball. Lim. Lay no good. But got fouled. Foul number 15. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws per Lim. First free throw is good for Lim. Both free throws are good for Lim. 6-point lead for Marquis. Ezekiel Galanday. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Too much force on the pass. Turnover. Timeout called for Pook Blue Team. Time remaining left 7 seconds. Official score 55-49. Still in favor of Marquis. Back to the ball game. Five seconds. Aurelio stops. Shot no good. Zanzibar is there. Black by inbound. End of the first half. Once again, 6-point lead for Marquis.
I'm friends with the monster.
to the ball game. By the way, our next game, Asia Warriors versus Tres Marias. Remember, Ulanday. Ulanday being defended by Aurelio. Ulanday running. Ulanday stops. Ulanday mid-range, no good. Po, closing ball. Aurelio, back to Petlano, to Tevez, back to Aurelio. Aurelio, to Tevez. Traveling violation. Ulanday, to Saludes. Saludes! 3-pointer is good. 2 points, 1 point lead for Marquis. Petrano, surveying the lead. Petrano. Aurelio to Maglaki. Maglaki on the paint. Maglaki got fouled. Foul number 7, third personal foul. Third team foul. 2 point lead for Marquis. Our official score 65-63. Two free throws for Maglaki. First free throw no good for Maglaki. Both free throws no good for Maglaki. Rimbao, bringing on the ball, bringing on the ball. Rimbao to Polende. Polende, blocked by Nubal. Rimbao is there to get the rebound. Rimbao kick out to Saludes. Saludes being defended by Tevez. Saludes fakes to Ulanday. 5 seconds to shoot. Ulanday running. Ulanday with attack. Blocked by Aurelio. 0.7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Rebound. Jumper, no good. Rebound, got fouled.
Captain ball tayo. Captain ball.
Tumulog na? Uy, tumulog na.
Ganto kasi yan. Live ball pa rin tayo. Nasa area yung player. Nabagsakan. Continuous tayo doon. Hindi natin pwede i-elect ko yung control pa rin. Ang tinatawag natin shot clock violation, hindi pa nakikitira. Tumunog na yung baser. Yun ang shot clock violation. Pero huwag kayong ano dyan. Isa lang ginagawa dito.
Stay sa bench po muna. Captain ball, coaches lang ang kailangan.
Ang shot clock violation, hawak mo yung bola, ititira ko pa lang tumunog na. Yun na yung shot clock violation. Pero kung naitira ko lang, nasa area ko na, hindi nyo sa'yo, lahat may ginagawa. Hindi ko sinasabi kung lahat may ginagawa. Kasi, ang sinasabi natin shot clock violation, hindi pa kayo nagtira. Tumunog na kasi, hindi na sa area. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Hindi mo kasi magugustuhan yung tawag kasi nga, counter. Okay, kami ko na nagsabi, foul.
Oy, mga pero na ulit yung shot clock violation.
Hindi yung sinasabi ko na continuous tayo tayo. Shot clock violation, yun ang sinasabi ng tira, tumulong na yung nasa
Ano nangyari? Tumulog na.
hindi nasa area. Sana ang referee tumawag ng shot clock. O, di ba?
Leg lang na rin. Ang tawag mo kasi
Hindi.
foul.
Lim, ganito. Kung shot clock violation, ang referee ganito tawag ko. Shot clock violation. Kasi nga, hindi shot clock violation. Nakatira na kayo. Sana tinawag foul talaga. Foul tayo si Nubal, 3 siya tayo. 28. 3 siya tayo.
Number 28, first personal foul. 2 free throws for Rimbaw. Referee's decision. 2 free throws for Rimbaw. First free throw no good for Rimbaw. Second free throw is good for Rimbaw. 3-point lead for Marquis. Our official score 66-63. Pedrano to Nubal. Nubal runs. Nubal attacks. Nubal no good. Ezekiel with the rebound. Ezekiel to Rimbaw. Rimbaw running. Rimbaw attacks. 1, 2. Great move, but then converted. Tempest with the rebound. Plus Maglaki. Maglaki. 3v2 situation. Maglaki spins. Maglaki boarding no good. Rimbaw. Rebounded the ball. Rimbaw running again. Rimbaw will attack again. Rimbaw. Same ball.
Ay, dalawa.
Dalawa?
14 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Costan in, Tempest out. Zaldibara in, Nubal out. Substitution. Jetan in. Holiday out. Substitution. Marcelo in. Maglaki out. Rebound to Olanday. Olanday! 3-pointer! Olanday is good! 6-point lead for Marquis. Aurelio! Long three, no good. Bestie huling ka. Foul. Number 0. First personal foul. Warning for penalty for offloading. Ezekiel being defended by Medrano. Ezekiel. Costan got the ball. Break D for offloading. Aurelio with attack. Aurelio no good. Jetan with the rebound. Saludes get the ball. Saludes to Olanday. Olanday breaks. Olanday mid-range. No good. Jetan got the rebound. Turnover for Jetan Aurelio. All alone. 3-point is good. You can leave Aurelio wide open. Olanday. To Rimbaw. 10 seconds to shoot. Rimbaw to Saludes. Saludes! Defender! No good. Ezekiel with the rebound. Ezekiel spins. Ezekiel get blocked by Marcelo again. Aurelio get the ball. Aurelio running. Aurelio dribbling. Aurelio stops. Aurelio fakes. Aurelio pass to Pedrano. Pedrano converts it. 2 points. 1 point in for Marquis. Official score 69-68. Olanday being double team. Olanday to Rimbaw. Rimbaw to Saludes. Saludes fakes. Saludes finding his teammate. Pass to Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel versus Costan. On the play. 5 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel spins. Ezekiel fakes. Ezekiel no good. Floating ball. Substitution. Saki in. Olanday out. Pedrano, to Costan, to Lim. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio! 3-pointer! Aurelio! Pop loading got the lead by 2 points. Ezekiel being defended by Costan. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Jetan. Jetan can convert it. Costan got the ball. Costan to Lim. Lim dribbling. Lim attacks. To Aurelio. Aurelio being defended by Saki. 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Subang shot na, mabilis ako. Reset shot na.
Naman yung reset naman eh.
No!
Substitution.
Bola!
Saki, big ready by Aurelio. Saki, look at that. Kick out to Castillo. Quick jab, 2 points. 5 of 71, Lim. 1-2, lays good, 2 points. Saki to Castillo to Palende, 10 seconds to shoot. Palende, 3-pointer, Palende is good. 20 seconds. Aurelio, jumper with a foul. Foul number 7, fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty, both teams. 2 free throws for Aurelio. Substitution. First free throw is good for Aurelio. Second free throw no good for Aurelio. Same goal. 12.4 seconds remaining on the clock. Giselle Dibar to Marcelo. 2 points, Marcelo. 6 seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. End of the third quarter. Official score 76-74. 2-point lead for Poak Loading. Ezequiel to Saludes. Saludes attacking. Saludes no good. Jetan with the rebound. 2 points for Jetan. Tie game. Our opening score was 76. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio to Costan. Costan jumper no good. Maglaki with the rebound. Maglaki got fouled. Foul number 30. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Warning lang tayo. Warning, number 30 for resettlement to Akon.
Warning number 30. Two shots for Maglaki. First free throw is good for Maglaki. Both free throws are good for Maglaki. 2-point lead again for Pook Loto. Ulanday, Isabela leading the ball. Ulanday. 14 to shoot. Ulanday to Ezekiel. Ezekiel. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 22. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Ezekiel. First free throw is good for Ezekiel. Second free throw no good for Ezekiel. Zaldivar to Aurelio. Still, by Sandia, Rainbow running. Rainbow 1v1 situation. Rainbow no good. Bestie to Lim. Lim, hindi na sa Lunes, pasok ko Stan. Constan to Maglaki. Maglaki again, 2 points. Three-point lead for Pook Loting. Ulanday to Rainbow. Rainbow, one step, with a foul. Foul number 19, second personal foul, second team foul. Rainbow with a chance for a 4-point play. Bonus free throw is good for Rainbow. 1-point lead for Marquis. Zaldivar to Aurelio. Aurelio. To Costan. Costan. Jumper no good. Saludos na the ball. Paso Ulanday. Ulanday. Surveillady. Ulanday. 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 3. Top of the key. 3 points. Ulanday. 4-point lead for Marcus. Official score 84-18. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim. Tip pass. Ulanday na ball. Ulanday. Foul number 85. Timeout. Pook Loting.
Sabi ko nga, wala eh. Sasablang ka na.
Foul number 85. First personal foul. Third team foul. Timeout Pook Loting.
Bestie, ito na lang mag-iisip na. Daw na lang mag-iisip sa lawa. Para di mag-iisip.
Back to the ball game. Let's get the red line. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Rainbow. Rainbow, the boys. Great pass for Ulanday. Pook Loting, isa na lang po ang inyong timeout. Marcus, dalawa pa. Marcus ball. Ulanday. Binibigyan naman yung Aurelio. Ulanday dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Saludes. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Aurelio. Surveying the D. Aurelio to Nubal. Nubal. Catch up at race. Good for Nubal. 3-point lead for Marquez. Ulanday dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot.
Number 13, ang blue. Number 85, yung white. Double foul tayo.
Number 30. Fourth personal foul. Number 85. Second personal foul. Double foul call by referees. Ulanday. Bilaka. Ulanday. No good. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ezequiel to Rimbao. Rimbao. 3 points. It's good for Rimbao again. Nubal to Aurelio. Aurelio being double team. Passes Zaldibar to Nubal. Nubal to Zaldibar. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio answers no good. Jetta with the rebound. Pass to Rimbao. Rimbao to Rubin. Rimbao. To Ezequiel. Six-point lead for Marquez. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rimbao spins. To Jetta. What a nasty move. Holding his teammate. 2 points for Jetta. Nice assist for Rimbao. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio being defended by Ulanday. Aurelio. Tip pass. Same ball. Substitution. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Maglaan to Nubal. Nubal. Floater is good for Nubal. Still a 6-point lead for Marquez. Ulanday. Surveying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday. Hindi ka rin Ulanday. Foul number 18. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Alvin!
Penalty. 2 free throws for Ulanday. Foul number 18. Foul number 18. Reaching foul. First free throw is good for Ulanday. Time remaining 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Second free throw is good for Ulanday. 2 shots is good. 8-point lead for Marquez. Lim. To Pedrano. To Maglaki. Maglaki. Mid-range is good. 2 points. Top of the key, 2-pointer. Ezequiel. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rimbao from downtown. No good. Ezequiel with the rebound. Ezequiel. Ezekiel! 2 points for Ezekiel! Big man na maliit. Lim attacking. Great deep on the paint. Single. Seconds on the shot clock. Maglari ito Lubal. Lubal, running, Lubal. Loader again. 2 points for Lubal. 6-point lead. Still a 6-point lead for Marquez. Ulanday running. Ulanday will attack. Ulanday, no good. Rebounded by Pedrano. Pedrano running. Pedrano to Lim. Lim. Left, no good. Rebounded by Pedrano. Pedrano got fouled. Foul number 15. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Marquez. 2 shots for Pedrano. First free throw is good for Pedrano. Second free throw no good for Pedrano. 5-point lead for Marquez. So your score, 95-90. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Foul number 27, first personal foul. Penalty. Two shots for number 30, Ezekiel. First free throw no good for Ezekiel. Second free throw is good for Ezekiel. One out of one free throw for Ezekiel. Lubal, bring the ball. Lubal to Lim. Lim one start, 3-pointer. No good. Maglangit with the rebound. Salute, steal. Pass Ulanday. Ulanday living. Ulanday running to Rimbaw. Rimbaw. Attack sa Rimbaw. Got fouled. Foul number 18. Third personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for Rimbaw. First free throw is good for Rimbaw. Second free throw no good for Rimbaw. 7-point lead for Marquez. Official score 97-90. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Maglaki. 2 points for Maglaki. Great pass for the ball. Ezekiel. Giving the ball. Being defended by Maglaki. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday. 3-pointer, no good. Lim. Dribbling. Deep pass. Aurelio got the ball. Aurelio dribbling. Penalty both teams. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Penalty both teams. 2 shots for Aurelio.
Pag nasa takbo na lang ha, sabay sila. Tama mo yung ring.
First free throw is good for Aurelio. Second free throw is good for Aurelio. Both shots are good. 4-point lead for Marquis.
Inbound!
Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, mid-range, no good. Nubay with the rebound. Nubay to Aurelio. Aurelio attacking. Aurelio. Layup. Aurelio is good. Timeout, Marquis. 2-point lead for Marquis. Official score, 97-95. Connection, 1-point lead for Marquis, 97-96. Correction, 1-point lead for Marquis. Back to the ball game. Remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Okay lang, Bestie. Kahit girl pa na ito, 36. 36 na lang.
Committee timeout po muna. Committee timeout. Sasabihin ko na lang po yung shot clock natin. 24 po dito, ayaw lang mag-sink doon. Tama yung score natin, tama yung score natin.
Tama yun, te. Napasok mo sila. Bilang na
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Yeah, done. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 19, third personal foul, penalty. Bonus people for Jetan. Bonus people na good for Jetan. 3-point lead for Marcus. Both teams, tigisa mo ang inyong timeout. 14 seconds to shoot. Team fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Pedrano attacks 2 points for Pedrano. 1-point lead for Marcus. Last 1 minute. Walang nice ready. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rebound at the ball again. Rebound. 2 points. Timeout. The teams. Three-point lead for Marty. So final score 101-98. Time remaining 33.5 seconds. Clock loading, no timeout left. Marquis, isa pa rin yung timeout. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Ten seconds to shoot. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Ulan got the rebound. Foul number 18. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. Two shots for Ulanday.
Bestie, lito-litogan ka kasi. Kaya na, lito-litogan, minano yung shot ka. Lito-litogan, Bestie. Bawal sa'yo.
First shooter is good for Ulanday. Both teams penalty po ha. Both teams penalty. Both free throws are good for Ulanday. Foul number 30. Broadway, number 30, Ezekiel. 5 fouls for Ezekiel. 2 shots for Lubal. Both teams penalty. First free throw no good for Lubal. Time remaining natin, 11.3 seconds. Second free throw no good for Lubal. Lubal got the ball again. To Aurelio. Aurelio to Lim. Lim. No good. Saludes with the rebound. End of the final quarter. Final score 103-98. Great game for both teams. Lalo na si Ulanday.